the ANC fails, Zuma will account for that. He would have contributed to its failure. I'm happy to confront Stian Hazel and all his people. But if we fail, because there are people who believe in him, and there are opportunists also who are with him, who stand to benefit, positions, patronage, and all of that. Their era of patronage that they benefited from is over. And they think they can get it through MK party. And that is where they go in their numbers. Look at them and look at their names. And that's why there is a manifesto every weekend, because there's nobody in charge there. Because it is a party that was formed for a particular mission. And I will explain as time goes. The truth about MK is not what former President Zuma is saying. He knows. It's not about Cyril and all of that. It's not that. He knows. He knows the truth. Like him, ngizokhuluma ngenye ilanga.